Okay, so all we need to do right now is to instantiate the post class. So back to the admin, under the header. Where's the header? That should be in pages. Okay, so pages header.php. So let's instantiate that, but before then let's include it. So copy, paste, and I'm gonna include the post.php. Okay, so let's instantiate it. So copy, paste, and this is going to be post underscore object post, and this is going to be post. Same thing that is going to take in. Okay, so back to the add underscore post.php. Before we do anything, there are some things that are lacking. So what is lacking? We have the title, we have the content, we have the category, the status. We need to add some values to it. So value is going to be published. Okay, so the value is going to be draft. Okay, so type of news, I'll just copy this out. Copy, paste. Okay, so we're gonna have breaking news, and we're gonna have casual news. Okay, so just say casual news, and this is gonna be breaking news. Okay, so I think we already have a name. Type underscore news. We have the tags, the image, and that's it. Okay, so after this move underscore, I'll just get rid of the alert. Okay, I'll just comment it out. Okay, so let's have our query. So we have the post underscore obj for the post object, and we're gonna add news, which is gonna take in how many parameters. I'll just copy this. Okay, so we have, so copy back here, paste it. Okay, all right, so for the title, we're gonna change it to $ underscore post. What was the name? I think the name was title. Okay, so title was the name. The next one will content category. Okay, so anyone we forget, we're gonna go back and change it. Okay, so content $ underscore post, and we're gonna have the content in the category $ underscore post, and we're gonna pass in the category. Okay, so category. Okay, so the status, let's check what was the name. Status, the name was status. Type of news, type underscore news, tags. Okay, so post underscore image for the image. All right, so status $ underscore post. Let's have the status, then the type is going to be type news. The tags, it's called tags, and the final one, the image $. The image is going to be the target file. Okay, so that's the target file for the image. Okay, so I'll just echo, and the echo is going to be news added. Okay, so later on when we create the page to be displaying all the news in a tabular form, then we're going to redirect the user back to that page. Okay, but for now let's just add an echo for it to be like that. Okay, so I'm going to come back and try this once more. Okay, so let's see what's going to be the title of our news. Okay, let me just try this one out. The rise, you know what, let's just go with all lowercase because it's going to convert it to capital letter. So the rise of cryptocurrency, and just have some lorem ipso text, lorem and I'll just cut it out. Okay, cut, paste. The type is gonna be business. Yeah, business. So I added more categories. Okay, in case you didn't notice, you can just pause the video and add yours. Okay, so the type is going to be a public, the status is going to be published, type is going to be a casual news. So tags, we have cryptocurrency, then we're going to add Bitcoin. So we're going to separate them by a comma. We say money and business. All right, so the type, let's choose that image, the third one, 3, and open. We should show us a preview of the image before we upload it. All right, so this is really great. I don't know, man. So I'm going to click on new and on the submit button, add news, and we get news added. So I'm going to click on OK, back to the database, and hopefully it works out. So click on browse, and I think it should be there. Loading, loaded. Okay, so we have the title, which converted it to all upper. So we have the ID one, the contents they added by admin Udemy. So because I'm the one logged in, the category is a business category, and we have the ID, which is 8. So it's working. We were able to grab the ID. Now we have the post image. So you can see we have, it gave us the folder where the image is located, and we also have this unique string, this unique ID added to it, plus the extension. So we have the tags, we have cryptocurrency, all separated by a comma. We have the type, the status, published, type is a casual news, number of likes 0, number of comments 0, and number of views 0. Okay, so that's it, guys. In the next lecture, we're going to write the functionality to display the images in the news tags. Okay, so I'll see you then.